All right, folks, let's get started. My voice is feeling a little bit better. We have our QQQ chart, which is the NASDAQ. It didn't do much most of the week, but it did gain about 0.5% today. That small gain wasn't enough to cause us to risk our portfolio just to get that small gain. Look at our RSI chart. It's above 70. For today, it's pointing up. So we're going to take a gamble on Monday. We're going to move from 100% Putnam stable value, and we're going to move to 65% Putnam stable value, 35% Harbor Capital. That way we can maximize some gains and minimize any losses we have for Monday. So like I said, we're going to go from 100% Putnam stable value today. For Monday, we're going to be set up for 65% Putnam stable value, 35% Harbor Capital. We anticipate the market to go up Monday. If it doesn't go up, we'll have a small loss. So we're not too worried about that. So year to date, we're still at a 12.02% gain. We didn't lose anything this week. We were very conservative because we stayed in 100% Putnam stable value. Next week, we're hoping to add to our gains by moving to the 65% Putnam stable value, 35% Harbor Capital. We are still chasing down Harbor Capital. Right now, it's at a 20.5% gain. It gained a little bit today. Long term, we will beat Harbor Capital. It's very, very hard to beat, but we will beat it. And as you see for Harbor Capital is above the S&P 500, which is hard to beat as well.